naman ang daan. Mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama ng sinag sa iyong kutis.
Sorry, Mr. Ken. Here.
Thank you.
By the way, you're Al Candelario. I know you don't know me. I know you.
Nice to meet you, Gerald.
Iyong naipinta.
Miss Neko, come on! Your show will start in a minute. Okay, coming. Excuse me, Gerald. I have to go. Nice to meet you.
Okay, bye. See you around.
Ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin, di pinapansin. Ika'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
Sa bawat sandaling ikaw ay pinagmamasdan, may dumadapong kiliti na di maunawaan. Alang ibig, di mabangkit na sa aking isip ikaw ang nagmamagay. Kahit mabitin aking salita, matay ang pinupan niya na sa'yo lang mapapangkin. Di palalampasin, huwag ka sanang kumawala.
Mikel, I have something I want to ask you, but I have feel nervous.
What is it, Gerald?
Well, I really like you. You will be my girlfriend.
I'd love to be your girlfriend, Gerald.
Walang kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin, di pinapansin, ako'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
Gerald, this is the moment I will introduce you to my parents.
I'm kinda scared.
It's okay, I'm here. Hi Vince, hi Mom, hi Dad. This is my boyfriend, Dad. Mom, this is Gerald. Okay everyone, let's take a seat.
So, Gerald, Nickel give me your actor.
Yes, sir. I'm an actor.
Actor? A fine profession for what was it, Nickel? A stable life? Come, take a seat, Dad.
Dad, he's got tattoos and he's always at the bar. It's unconventional. What kind of example is that for the family?
Vince, Dad, please. This isn't about his going at the bar or his tattoo. It's about Gerald. He's kind, he's talented, and he loves me.
Love? Love doesn't pay the bills, Nickel. He's not stable. His family was also broken.
He's building his career, Dad. He's hardworking, and he supports my dream, unlike anyone else I ever met.
Sir, I understand your concern, but I can assure you, I'm committed to Nickel. I'm not just talking about love. I'm just talking about future together. I'm working towards financial stability, and I'm dedicated to building a life with her. And my family can epic my relationship with Nickel.
Lance, let's try to make it count. Gerald, welcome to our family. We're happy to get you better.
Oh, hi, Gerald. Who's this?
Hi, ma'am. This is my girlfriend, Nickel. This is my mom.
Hi.
Yeah, this is perfect. The food, and especially you.
It is perfect. Thank you for this, Gerald.
Nickel, you know, I can't imagine my life without you. Nickel, look. Nickel, will you marry me?
Yes, I will marry you.
to be. Take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you.
Relax, dude. This is a casual meet and greet. Think of it as it's working for your big role.
I told you, this is insane. My wife thinks I'm a script reading. She even helped me practice my lines.
Hey, this is research. Besides, if she doesn't know what murder, right? This is part of art. Ladies, allow me to introduce my incredibly talented friend, Gerald. Gerald, this is a...
I'm Rika.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Okay, Carol. Excuse me, guys. I have to go. I have to go.
Excuse me guys, I need to go to get our order.
Hi. Nickel, I need to tell you something. It's all about Gerald. What about him? Is he okay? No. It's all about I saw him. Saw him with who? It was Nika from his work. They were holding hands each other. I kind of suspected something. He's been distant lately, working late a lot. But I wanted to believe it was just a stress. Oh, honey, I'm so sorry. It's not your fault. You didn't deserve this. Deserve? It's more than not deserving, May. It's a betrayal, a violation. Inapak-apakan nila yung pagkatao ko. It's okay to feel those things, Nicole. Don't try to bottle it up. Let's get all out. I saw them too. Across the street. So I just pretend to not saw them. It's alright, Nicole. But now you know, you can start to process everything. I don't know, May. I'm just numb right now. I don't know what to feel or what to do. Take your time. Don't feel pressure to yourself. Just focus on yourself and take care. Take your time. Don't feel pressure yourself. I'm here for you, no matter what you decide. Thank you, May. That means a lot. Come, let's go to the mall. I'll cheer you up a little bit. That's a great idea. Where are we going to buy? I don't know. Just look around. Oh, Bess! That's the girl I've been telling you. That's Gerald mistress. Oh, really? Come on. Hey, you. Stop it. You shameless mistress.
I'm not just a mistress. I am the only one who truly loves, not you.
Oh, is that so? Then take this. Guys, I'm not done yet.
Oh, Gerald, you're here. I really miss you. Why did you ignore my chats and calls?
Rika, you know that I have my family. Think about it, how can I reply or accept your call if I'm with my family?
Gerald, just leave her. I'm always here and support you. Her family doesn't even want you.
Stop, Rika. This is wrong. I think we should really end this relationship. I'm sorry, Rika. We will end her.
Gerald, no. Let's fix this. I can't live without you.
Nickel, let me explain.
There's no need to explain, Gerald.
Nickel, open the door. Let me explain.
Why did you do that to my daughter?
Leave it, Dad.
Sorry, Nickel. It's not what you think.
Sorry, Gerald. Let's fix this in the court.
Good day to both of you. Thank you for coming here. My name is Alpha Giviria and I'm here to support you to a safe and non-judgmental space.
Mr. Candelario is regret his infidelity. He wants to save the marriage. He's willing to participate in intensive couples counseling to rebuild trust.
While my client, Mrs. Candelario, is understandably hurt and betrayed by Mr. Candelario. So, this counseling is not enough. This counseling needs to be guided by the counselor so they can prepare to the annulment.
Mr. Candelario is committed to rebuild trust through rigorous therapy, transparency, and accountability.
Necessary measures need to be clearly defined and legally binding. We're not talking about casual promises. We need concrete actions with tangible consequences for any breach of trust.
We need to establish clear, measurable goals and timeline for achieving them. This requires open communication and a willingness to compromise from both parties. My client is willing to compromise, be transparent, and demonstrate regret to her actions.
So my client needs to assure that Mr. Candelario is committed to his promises so they can create another problem.
Committed to Mr. Candelario, this process requires honesty and vulnerability from both of you. Are you both willing to commit to this restorative process, understanding that it requires significant efforts and willingness to forgive and be together?
Yes, Counselor. I'm committed to doing everything to rebuild our marriage.
I want to believe in, but I need to see concrete proof of his commitment. I need to feel safe and secured again.
In the decisions we make as we go along, we need to think about what we will do and what we should be doing. Because there are things that we don't know that we think are right, but which hurt the feelings of others. In every decision we make, we need to work together to find a solution. As a couple, you need to agree, and you shouldn't be swayed by the influence of friends. You need to choose your friends carefully, knowing the consequences of your choices. The importance of the counselors is to guide us and provide solutions to the problems we face so that we can understand what the problem is and what our own problems are. It's better to correct mistakes than to let them happen.